हम हमेशा जंप करना चाहते हैं. Always try to take small steps. And always we have this problem that we wanna enhance our vocabulary. और vocabulary का ताल्लुक that directly connects to your reading. Words है ना? You wanna learn words. How can you learn new words? So reading. Reading तो हम करना नहीं चाहते. Facebook और TikTok हम चाहे 2 घंटे घुमाते रहे, कोई पता नहीं. या PUBG जो है, कोई परवाह नहीं. Reading में when we spend 15 minutes after then we are just exhausted. कहते हैं बस हो जाती है, बस बहुत पढ़ी, बंद, चलो जी. So can you tell me which word did you learn yesterday? Any new word? Any single word? Any one of them? Did you learn any single word? तो आपने एक वर्ड सीखा, कोई कल सीखा, तो कैसे इंक्रीज हो? कोई जादू है? जादू तो है नहीं. If I say yes, Mr. Waheed Anthony has capsule or medicine or tablets or injection, let's join his academy and we gonna have all that vocabulary immediately. Not at all, I don't have that one. No magic. You have to struggle hard. You have to read extensively. You have to actually invest your time. This is your investment. Just see where you are investing your time. You will getting your profit from there. If you are investing your time on TikTok, you are becoming a good actor. Okay? If you are investing your time on reading, you are just gaining your knowledge. You are enhancing your knowledge. Just see your time. So it's up to you. If you want to increase your vocabulary, start reading. Just start 30 minutes. That today I will just spend 30 minutes. Then gradually increase 15 minutes. Then 45 to 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours.